Okay, so we got an espresso machine maker for our wedding gift. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So more coffee apparently is here.
Then you move over to the size 1.7 ounce,
Okay.
1 ounce.
What do I want? Get a big one because I want a lot of caffeine. These tiny ones don't do any justice. Oh yeah, and this is my little coffee bar. Well,
Ounces total.
so 2 ounce double shot. Do I hit start?
Hit it, baby.
Woo! It's pouring it! Coffee bar.
Did you show them that?
It's grinding it! And it shall pour in a matter of I don't know how long. Oh, come on.
It takes a minute.
Our syrup, sugar. Oh, those are our...
So it's going to do one more.
One more.
Over again.
I think I suck on making the step-by-step videos.
We'll get there.
So what do I do next, baby?
Could you suggest the grain size?
Ah, maybe smaller, huh? Ice. So we lift it up and we pour it. Woo! Add the almond milk. Almond. Ta-da! That was the break for the day, ladies and gentlemen. Get back to our business. Coffee made me do it. Woo! And now, back to work. Webinar creation series. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will have our first webinar series Friday with Jacqueline Bouviers. And we've decided to start a YouTube channel.
Did you see her?